Selling video marketing services can seem daunting, but with Vendasta, you can streamline the process and offer high quality services that clients will love. In this video, we'll cover how to sell video marketing services using Vendasta's powerful tools, and by the end, you'll have a clear strategy to boost your business with minimal effort. Let's start with what makes Vendasta stand out. Vendasta offers an all in one platform that gives you access to a wide range of services, from marketing automation to professional video creation tools. With Vendasta, you can offer video marketing services without needing to be a video production expert yourself. The platform makes it easy to create videos that are tailored to your clients' needs, and you don't have to spend hours learning how to use complicated software. Next thing you'll want to know is how Vendasta's platform connects you with businesses that need video marketing. Vendasta has a marketplace where you can find leads, and it also integrates with customer relationship management, CRM, tools. This means you can easily track prospects, manage leads, and follow up with clients all in one place. It's a perfect way to build a sustainable pipeline for your video marketing services. The third thing to keep in mind is the ease of use. Vendasta is designed for agencies and individuals who don't have a lot of technical expertise. You don't need to know how to design a website or create sophisticated video ads to get started. Vendasta has built-in templates that are professionally designed, and you can quickly customize them to suit your client's business. This lets you offer personalized video marketing services quickly and efficiently. Now, let's talk about automation. Vendasta allows you to automate the process of video creation and distribution. Once you've set up a campaign, you can schedule and send videos directly to your client's email or social media accounts. You can also use their reporting features to track how well the videos are performing, making it easier to show clients results and keep them coming back for more. Automation means you spend less time on manual tasks and more time closing deals and creating value for your clients. The fourth thing you need to know is that you can offer a wide variety of video content types. Vendasta enables you to produce everything from promotional videos to social media ads to explainer videos and much more. The platform offers tools for video editing, making it easy to tailor each video for the specific platform or client needs. With this flexibility, you can upsell your clients by offering different types of video services that meet their goals. Lastly, selling video marketing services with Vendasta means you'll always have the support you need. Vendasta has a fantastic customer support team, and they also provide training resources so you can continuously improve your service offerings. Remember, you can start using Vendasta today for free with our exclusive trial linked below. This will allow you to dive right into selling video marketing services with zero upfront costs, and you can even access additional bonuses to maximize your growth. In case you missed it, this video mentioned that with our exclusive extended free trial, you can start selling video marketing services on Vendasta with no risk. Don't wait. Take advantage of this opportunity and start growing your video marketing business today.